welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change like the intensity of lights, and like you can even change the color on Sims 4. So select like any lights. I'm just going to select this one, and as you can see I can turn on and like turn off. For instance, I want to just turn off this light, I can do that, and turn on this light. And I can also change the colors, so set color and intensity. Maybe you want to select this room, and you can change the color of the light, and you can also dim it and make it brighter by pressing on it. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!